In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a table of contents to headings in Word. Manually typing out a table of contents and trying to line up those tiny little dot leaders with your page numbers is an absolute layout nightmare. The exact millisecond you add a new paragraph or push a section down, every single page number breaks and you have to rewrite it by hand. Today, we are setting up Word's automated indexing engine to map out your headings and update your table in a single click. Before we could build a live table of contents, we have to tell the system exactly what your section titles are. Word's indexer completely ignores standard text formatting like bold or underline. Firstly, scroll down your document and highlight your main chapter or section title. I'll just use this. Move your cursor up to the top navigation ribbon under the Home tab and locate the Styles group, which is here, and then choose the heading. I'll just choose this one. You could just repeat this, and let's choose heading 2. You could repeat this quick hierarchy mapping across your entire document. By applying these specific styles, you are injecting digital tracking tags into your layout that Word can read instantly. If maybe you have subsections or smaller modules inside that chapter, you can highlight those subtitles and click on heading 2. You're separating them, and now let's generate the index. You can scroll back to the very top of your document and click your cursor exactly where you want the table of contents to sit. I'll just go ahead and choose right here, right between my main text and my heading. And move your cursor to the top ribbon and click on the References tab. Look all the way to the far left side and click the Table of Contents drop-down menu. Right over here from the menu, select Automatic Table 1 or 2. And boom, Word instantly crawls your entire workspace, pulls every heading you tagged, maps out the exact page numbers, and aligns them flawlessly. If you ever change a title or add pages later, just right-click anywhere inside your table and select Update Field, right over here. And then just choose Update the entire table to sync your layout instantly. Update fields and then entire table and press OK, and your document layout is now completely optimized with a dynamic, professional navigation matrix that updates automatically as your project scales. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.